A very good evening and welcome back to the last and final league stage matchup here at the Sandhya Maharashtra Basketball League. An exciting day of basketball. We've had amazing matches coming into this one. And let me tell you, this is a virtual pre-quarter final. The last match before we head in to the playoffs tomorrow. Both the teams looking to finish on a good note and secure a good spot. And the CSN Garjana side will have the likes of Ginit, Siddhant, Deep, Shlok and Kevin. This is the five chosen by their coach, while the Storm coming in from Mumbai features Ayush, Yogesh, Venkat, Parth and Aditya. We're all set to tip the ball off here at the Balewadi Indoor Stadium. And the jump ball, you're not supposed to hold on to it after tapping it off. And CSN Garjana will bring the ball up off that inbound. There's a ball played to the high post. Corner, three-pointer would have been an ideal start. And possession is going to remain with the Garjana side. CSN Garjana wearing the blue jersey, while Mumbai Storm wearing the white jersey. Good screen set. He drives in and a big block there. Deep denying that opportunity. It's still on with Mumbai Storm. Goes behind the back, almost losing the ball. Last 2 seconds on the shot clock. And possession's going to go back the other way. Joining me in the comm box is Markesh Ranjan. Hello, Markesh.
Thanks, Ryan. We are all waiting to see how is CSN going to perform. It's an important game for both the teams. It's a good utilization of high post. And Doshi utilizes the left high arcing shot.
Here comes Mumbai Storms with the ball. There's Yogesh. Drives through the middle. Yogesh is denied by Deep. And possession is going to stay with the Storm. A very good play there. But more importantly, 14 seconds fresh for them as they line up for a baseline move. Off-ball screens. He's called for move number one. Let's see what they got in mind for move number one.
I see them getting the shooter open. That's the basic end-line throw move we see in place. And that is the right utilization.
The missed opportunity keeps the score tied at the deadlock of 0. No team yet to open. Can Doshi connect from 3? He cannot. That's the rebound from Deep and he makes it.
The team wouldn't mind because Doshi got them the game winner yesterday. So that doesn't matter. He's just warming up.
Here comes Venkat with the ball. Doshi too hard on defense, overplaying. Aditya manages to maintain his footwork, but he loses possession. 3-on-2 on the fast break. And there's another interception. Back-to-back turnovers, both the ends of the floor. Yogesh going to the rim. Parth with the putback, can't get it to go. Rebound gathered by Garjana. Here's Ginit on the attack. He has Doshi as an option. He goes for the behind-the-back pass. Deep looking to find the ball. And the sequence is going to stay with Garjana.
There's been a very slow start. In the 3 minutes, it's just been a bucket made. This is not how you need to start a game. You need to start with some confidence to initiate these crucial encounters.
Indeed, just 2-0. There's a bounce pass. They have time on the shot clock to perhaps draw it up entirely. Shlok with the ball. Shlok hands it off to the high post. There's the extra pass to the corner. And Doshi cuts the line.
What I noticed here is a smart play. Utilization of high post and the ball goes to all directions. When you have high post, it can move right or left. That's the advantage.
Venkat with the ball. He's tightly guarded. Aditya now playing it to Parth. Parth, the post player, has come up and received it. He needs to go to his position. Venkat now again at the top. Aditya coming in to set the screen. And the shot clock winding down. And they took time to, and they are paying the price for taking time on the possession.
And foul being called. What I'm seeing in quarter one is something which I've not seen in this championship. When you ask me why, there has been possessions, but attempts, if you look at Mumbai Storms, they have hardly got one or two shots on the board with no defenders on.
Rightly said. And here comes Garjana on the drive. That's a good pass to his teammate. But the shot, the alley is no good. Inbound from the baseline, 14 seconds on the clock. He's got plenty of options. You see a lot going towards Deep. This time it goes to Doshi again. And Ginnett lines up a deep three and he connects.
Guinea says, I can make many. That's the speciality of Guinea. Let's see what he's got in this entire quarter.
Aditya up top, calling for the screen. Drives, puts up the mid-ranger, can't get it to go. Parth with the put-back attempt, missing it again. He gets the rebound, back out to Venkat. Venkat a bit confused before making that pass. The shot clock winding down again. Quick pass to Parth. And another possession wasted by Mumbai Storms here, Markesh.
As I was explaining before, Ryan, it's better to put it up on the board than wasting rallies by doing turnovers.
It's what happens when you take time to start your offense. They're starting their offense too late. And here comes Garjana, who wastes no time. They're coming off the win yesterday and they have the confidence rolling. Deep receives it at the high post, kicks it out. Ginnett once again for three. He connects. Back-to-back threes.
I'm going to stick to my lines. Guinea, you will make many and you'll miss hardly any.
Parth on the baseline, extending his arm a bit. No call there. And another option as they search for Aditya in the corner. He manages to keep it in. And possession's going to remain with the Storm. 7 seconds for them to put the shot up. And they continue to take time before even putting the shot up. And that's the problem. They go under pressure. Last few seconds. And this time, he will get fouled.
And finally, Mumbai Storms can have a shot without having anybody guarding them. This is after 6 minutes. That's a lot of time that they've consumed. As you rightly pointed, they need to have off-ball movements, set screens, work without the ball. That's when you're going to have good positions to score.
Another foul there drawn by Sony. Running into a few bodies. It's going to be a sideline throw. It's going to be inbounded by Karzai, Kevin Karzai. Inbounds back to Karzai. Here's Doshi. He lines up the triple. Doshi not able to connect. Rebound tapped by Deep, but brought up by the Mumbai Storms. And the turnover once again. They're not able to get a hold of their attack. And here's Deep on the drive, making some contact. He stops, spins, and he's denied by Parth.
Parth.
Storms getting the stop that they wanted. It's 2-8. Can they convert on the other side? There's a nice behind the back. Once again, play to Parth. He's got the confidence after the block. Unfortunately, he turns the ball over.
He just showed me a Michael Jackson move, reminded me of Michael Jackson. This is the Pune Jackson who showed some moves on the post.
Oh well, we hope to see the moonwalk soon enough in this match. And here comes CSN Garjana on the attack. Their coach, Mr. Rohan, will be hoping they can come out victorious. This game is very important. Safe to say it's a pre-quarter final before we head into the playoffs tomorrow. Here comes Mumbai searching for their first field goal. Aditya too strong on the finish. The offensive rebound gives them a second chance. Aditya once again lines up the three and he falls short. Parth with the rebound. Back to Aditya. Aditya fakes. Aditya puts it up. Can't get it to go. And CSN Garjana having a brilliant quarter so far. They look to add on to it. Sony puts up the shot in and out. And the sequence continues to roll. And Mumbai Storms searching for that opening basket yet again. There's a pass to the cutting player. Foul and one.
So what we saw is a foul and a basket made. Very crucial. Ryan, what I notice now is now they're going deeper. It's the ball is not flying up there. They've taken it deeper. That's why they're getting possessions to score on the board.
Indeed, it's very important for them to be calculative, and this is perhaps one positive move we saw from
He's loading up for the free throw. He makes. And Aditya with the rebound. Doshi takes control.
He's got a few options, pressure on him, and they'll manage to maintain possession and inbound the ball from the side. 4 points separating the two teams. Doshi. Now it's Karzai. Over to Sony. He calls for the screen, goes through the left. Sony with a nice pick and roll with his post. That's nicely done.
That's an assist from Guinea. He was all the way scoring till now. But if you notice, he's got assist too.
Really effective player. And here's Yogesh now. Yogesh Yadav to the rim. Yogesh Yadav.
Yogesh Yadav is attacking because he's found the mantra now. If he wants to score, he has to go to the ring.
Late into the first quarter, Mumbai Storms slowly bringing the heat into this one. And the pressure on the high post. And a common ball there.
This jump ball is because he was in the high post and didn't know which side to go. He gave for the defender, right, left, center. Any defender can come on him.
With a minute and 10 seconds remaining, Storms have slowly crawled back into this. They have a chance to cut the lead down in this possession. There's a deep three attempted. Not the best of shots. Again, a second chance given to them. And yet again, the similar result. This time, the fake and the shot. And Sadamir is going to go to the free throw line once again.
We have free throws loading because they've got a couple of them already. That is what has got the momentum for them. And before we go to his free throw, how excited, because this is the last game, how excited are you for the quarters which are lined up for tomorrow?
Oh, I mean, the playoffs in any league is so exciting, and this is somewhat similar, but this is just the trailer. We can expect a lot more of action tomorrow because we will see a cross-pool encounter. These are teams that's not played each other, and that's when it's going to get so exciting. And there's the offensive rebound attempted by Parth, but he loses the ball in the process.
What Ryan is trying to tell you here is, trailer hai boss, film baki hai dost. Come tomorrow to watch it on Z Live.
Here they are, CSN Garjana with just one basket advantage. They haven't scored in a while, and they look to close out the first quarter with a basket. Doshi now, pressure's on him, he loses the ball, and Aditya on the fast break with the dribble, puts up the shot and makes it. We're tied at 10 each.
What a comeback by Pune Storms. They had an 8-0 deficit, and they made a comeback. This is how you end quarter one to build your confidence for quarter two.
More importantly, momentum. It gives the fresh five that's most likely to come in a lot of confidence, and they come in with a lot of motivation. Aditya lines up the three. Would have been ideal if he could make it. A foul identified meanwhile.
The fundamental of box out would have been the key, but Parth used it the wrong way. He hooked the man and went for a rebound.
There's a quick inbound and a full court press, of course. With 4 seconds remaining, they wouldn't want Garjana to get a shot away, while CSN Garjana would want to go in with the lead. They've had the lead for majority of the quarter, but here they know how hard it is. There's a long pass towards deep. He gets it. Unfortunately, can't hold on to it. Parth throws it up, and that brings us to the end of the first quarter. A great comeback from the Storms to take it to 10 apiece.
With the quarter one ending, it's 10 apiece. We'll join you back right here on Z5.
We're all set for the second quarter of this game. What at first seemed to be a steal for CS and Garjana, all of a sudden saw the storm settling in, and this match is showing the glimpses of what it can be.
Storm always doesn't come in a hurry. It comes slow, but it'll be very fierce.
Fierce is the right word. Can they keep the same level of intensity like the first five did? Play resumes. There's Ayan with the three. Ayan with the player of the match performance yesterday. Here he is with the pass, and he can't find his teammate. And here comes the Storm in transition. Three-pointer, can't get it to go. Offensive rebound once again for Mumbai. They've been getting a lot of offensive rebounds. There's the tap after the shot. And 2 points as Mumbai Storm take the lead for the first time in the match.
The first quarter was not at its best, but we had Ginit Soni with his 2 3-pointers, Deep with 4 points, and for the Mumbai Storms we had Sadamir with 4 and Yogesh Yadav with 4 points. These stats are very important. These are the stats we're getting from the app called Swish. They are so helpful for the game.
Indeed, and the drive and basket is good, and the score is tied once again at 12 apiece. And this game, it's going to be important for the second five to maintain the same tempo that was started out. And Ayan with the steal, he will also get the finish on the other end.
Ryan, as the game is progressing, I just want a little insight about how useful is Swish for your application of stats.
Indeed, I think stats is one of the most important components, not just for a commentator, but even to understand how the game works, even for the players to go back on the floor or even go back after a match. They understand what's going right, what's going wrong, what are the areas they're supposed to work on. And thanks to technology and thanks to apps like Swish, basketball continues to progress and grow.
To add to it, they show the leaders, they show the steals, they show the field goals, free throw percentage, and most beautifully, the efficiency, which is very rare to say you're an efficient player. Thank you, Swish, for making this happen.
Indeed, a swish off the court, and we'll get to see plenty of swishes on the court if the three-point shooting comes out. There's a block, and a foul also called, and free throws load for the Mumbai Storms as they look to go back on a level terms.
Free throws loading. 2 free throws for Mumbai Storms. That's a well-made shot from Anuj. Mumbai Storms had a 50% free throw shooting in quarter one. What do you think about the start of free throw? I think it can be better.
Definitely can be better. Given the number of times they went to the line, they need those conversions in every occasion, because free throws, if you go back and see the teams that's winning matches, they're shooting free throws quite efficiently. And now Garjana have a 1-point lead. Ayan once again plays it to the corner. The shots lined up, can't get it to go. Offensive rebound gives them a second chance. And what are they going to get out of this? Once again, they line up the three, falling short, and it goes out of bounds.
When the ball hits the backboard, it's eventually out. And we have Mumbai Storms with the possession now. Mumbai Storms will look to go into the halftime with some momentum and some aggressive defense.
Captain of the team, Mr. Patil, he can change games, especially in the second quarter. He loves to take charge and give his team the advantage. There's the pass back to Patil. Patil through the baseline, kicks it back out, gets a good look. There's the three-pointer, which won't go, but a great offensive rebound. Can he get the shot away? Too many bodies there, and possession will remain with the Storm.
The chief crew, Mr. Rashid Sheikh, has given the right decision after taking that call. After thinking, he didn't make a decision in a hurry. He was thinking, where did the ball go out last?
Ball to be inbounded. 14 seconds on the clock. You can see a move coming in perhaps. There's the first pass. He attacks the rim himself and makes a basket.
Anuj using the board to great effect. If they are using the fundamentals right, this quarter belongs to the Mumbai Storm. If not, CSN will show them why they came victorious yesterday.
A very strong team. They know how to play in the crunch situation. So for Mumbai, they would want to avoid going into a crunch situation because CSN can close games out.
Ryan, you have seen Doshi make that crucial shot. Have you made any in your life like that?
Plenty of them, of course, but not in a professional setup like this. I wish I had a camera recording the shots I made. And of course, there, a good put back from
By Jadhav. Now we have possession. Slowing down. Viraj under. And he gets the rebound again. Foul called on Anuj. 2 free throws loading. As we are looking at free throws coming, these kids are so fortunate to have digital recorded games where they can see their buzzer beaters, their bloopers, as well as their fun moments.
Definitely, bloopers and fun moments are part of it. And I saw Javeer. Yesterday he was on screen and he was so shy and so happy to be on the screen. And I spoke to him today and asked him, and he's like, it's a fun moment. He's a bit camera shy, but he enjoyed the moment. So the bloopers part also very important because you have to have fun in an atmosphere like this. And here comes Sahil on the drive. He hands it off quickly. Yadav puts up the shot, can't get it to go this time. Again, a second chance to them. Shot clock winding down. Anuj gets a set shot. He falls short on the attempt. Garjana bring it back up the other way. They've got bodies up front. He floats it up himself and gets it in.
Ayan with the crucial basket and timeout called by Mumbai Storms. This is timeout with 5 minutes and 43. Scores tied, 17 apiece. We have some fans in the crowd who are happy to be here and watching it live. For all the viewers watching on Z5, please come make your way to the stadium. You can watch it live here too.
Get the best seat in the house. There's a good give and go. Sahil attacking the rim and he's denied. A great block from Viraj.
With shot clock at 14. I saw in first quarter a very good baseline out of bounds play, and I see the repetition again.
This time no connection towards the rim, and it's going to result in a turnover. We're halfway through the second quarter, and there's the rectification on the call. It's going to remain Mumbai ball. Jadhav 2 inbound. And again, Markesh, a post player inbounding is something that usually isn't allowed, if I'm not wrong, in baseline moves.
It depends on the coach, Ryan. If he has a play where you can take out, and talking about that, Anuj makes use of it to great effect. And to add on what you said, Ryan, it depends on a coach's strategy. If he wants the big man guarding to stay out of the paint, he uses it so that there's an opening for the shorter people to get under. Otherwise, the big man would be obstructing them.
That's a very important point. Sometimes you want the big men out of the paint so that there is a good pathway for everybody else as the three-point play is not completed. Storms up by 2. Garjana looking to tie. Parth with a lot of contact. He ran into a wall there.
He didn't run into a wall. Aryan is showing off his shoulders and biceps which he's got. He showed the strength what he's got. So be aware of him for other 2 quarters which are remaining.
The captain just letting the opposition know his intent in this match.
The missed free throw. Garjana didn't have any free throws in quarter 1. They have hardly got any free throws. That shows the defensive presence of Mumbai Storms.
Definitely, they stepped up their defense, and we can see that on how they've recovered in this matchup. Here's Aryan trying to go up and under. Garjana with the rebound. There's Shetty playing it far out to Ayan. Ayan going up himself, not able to get the finish. And quite unnecessary from Ayan there.
He showed that he can do some Magic Johnson moves. But like how I got stuck, he also got stuck.
Oh, yeah, definitely. But this is what basketball is all about. You make a mistake. As long as you make up for it, you're good.
I am good at that too, and so as Ayan.
Well, the only difference is Markesh. He's young and you are old. Oh, well, the shot is put up and a three-pointer for the Storms to reply to that.
Storm. Calm the storm is all I can say. This is good defensive pressure from the Storm. Attempting, he draws a foul. Do you see a pattern, Ryan? The Mumbai Storms, every quarter they'll be behind. But when the quarter is coming to a close, that is when they wake up or they're really on fire. I really don't know on that.
Yeah, I think it's just a very typical Mumbai thing. If you look at other sports, when I think of a Mumbai franchisee, being cricket also, many a times whenever they win the championship, they have a very bad start to the season and then somehow they manage to make it through.
So, you're backing Mumbai Storms for the championship, I guess, if I'm not wrong.
I wouldn't mind because, again, what I'm looking at is players who have championship mentality. Now, Mumbai Storms have the likes of Aditya, who was part of the Satara Champs team that won the same league last season. So, if you have players with the blood of the winning blood, they definitely are contenders. And if they can take the momentum of winning a game and getting into the playoffs, you never know. And there's a quick handoff to Jadhav, the mid-range shot. He can't get it to go. And here comes Garjana with a chance to tie it. Ayan once again attacking the rim. He's denied up top. And Mumbai Storms will look to score on the other side of the floor. A stop followed by a deep three. And not the best of attempts, and it goes out of bounds.
I am still not out of the previous block where Anuj hit the board and the ball came to Mumbai Storm's possession as well.
That's a perfect block, a statement block to be honest. Not sure if you can see a replay of it right now, but I'm sure it's definitely going to make it to the highlights that you see on Instagram where you hear Markesh's voice.
I've been a repeated guy on the voiceover. And here we see the ball in possession of Mumbai Storms.
Score tied at 22 once again, 2:12 remaining. And yeah, there was just a small hiccup on that inbound. And the full court press has been inflicted by CS and Garjana. We've seen most of the teams break through the full court press without ease. Of course, there are exceptions. And Mumbai Storms in this occasion get past it. Aryan Patil driving and attacking. Aryan Patil not able to convert, but he will be given a second chance. Aryan Patil continues to drive beyond measure and he misses in the second instance as well. Shetty this time for the drive off the left hand, won't get the finish. There's the second chance and a foul committed in the process. Will the basket count?
The basket made a very crucial one. He draws the foul and gets it in. But most importantly, Anuj is becoming a big defensive presence inside the paint. Now they are very scared to drive in. Reason being, Anuj is standing to tap the ball out in the air.
In and out, that free throw attempt still with Garjana though. And they have a point advantage. Mumbai Storms giving up on the lead they've had for quite some time. Ayan with a bounce pass. There's a beautiful play to find his teammate on the corner, but there is no conversion off of that attempt. Fresh 24 for the Storms. Anuj goes past the players, puts it up, can't get it to go. And here comes Garjana again with a chance. Ayan this time does it himself, and he again misses. And both the teams just throwing punches at each other. No punch making the difference. This one does from Mr. Captain.
They are up by 1. All credit to Anoj's defensive presence in this quarter, which has made a big difference. Look at the steal. Ayan, what have you got? This is what I was about to say. This is Ayan. Ayan, you missed the first one. Not bad. You got an easy one on your miss.
Aryan Patil, the captain, he, I think, wanted a rebound as well to his stat. I'm sure that will reflect on the Swish app soon enough. So all our viewers, if you want to get a view of the stats, download the Swish app and you can follow the Maharashtra Basketball League, both the categories. And the clock is winding down. Air ball to find his teammate and a good basket. And Garjana will make it a 1-point game. And the coach, Mr. Rohan Jagtap, decides to have a word with his players.
And with 19 seconds left, 25-26 in favor of Mumbai Storms. We'll be right back after the timeout.
There's 18 seconds on the clock. Full court press from CSN Garjana. They don't want to concede a basket at this point. Mumbai Storms up by 1. There's the quick pass. Long ball inside. Jadhav left alone. He hands it off. And the layup off the glass won't go. And Garjana will look to get the last possession out of this quarter. There's Ayan is blocked. Still alive for Garjana. Parth receives. Parth puts it up. He will not connect. And just a second, but a second too late. And that brings us to the end of the first half.
At the half, it is Mumbai Storms leading 26-25. We look forward to seeing you in quarter 3. Exciting quarter 3 coming up. Stay tuned.
Bro, electric.
Bro, petrol.
Minus 20 bhp and 18 nm torque beast.
My X47 has double the power. 40 bhp, 100 nm torque. Cameras, radar, onboard charging.
But I've got that vroom vroom.
Bro, I paid 1.5 lakhs upfront with UV battery flex. And then 2.5k per month. Less than what you pay for petrol every month. Upgrade to Ultraviolet X47 starting at just ₹1,49,000 with UV battery flex.
नमस्कार, मैं आपका अपना नितिन विजय फिर से आया हूँ आप सब लोगों के समक्ष। हम आ रहे हैं आपके अपने शहर यानी कि मोशन का सेंटर खुल रहा है आपके शहर में। हम हजारों की संख्या में आईआईटी में और मेडिकल में बच्चों को पहुंचा चुके हैं और ये कर्तव्य के भाव से पहुंचा है क्योंकि मैं भी खुद कोटा से पला बड़ा हूँ। हमारी कस्टमाइज मशीन्स, हमारी एप्स, वो सारी सुविधाएं जो हम कोटा के बच्चों को दे रहे हैं वो सब आपके शहर में अब आपको मिलने वाली है। तो आइए मिलकर एक दूसरे के भविष्य को सुधारते हैं। मुझे सुनने के लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। थैंक यू।
Bro, electric.
Bro, petrol.
Minus 20 bhp and 18 nm torque beast.
My X47 has double the power. 40 bhp, 100 nm torque. Cameras, radar, onboard charging.
But I've got that.
Bro, I paid 1.5 lakhs upfront with UV battery flex. And then 2.5k per month. Less than what you pay for petrol every month. Upgrade to Ultraviolet X47 starting at just rupees 1,49,000 with UV battery flex.
नमस्कार, मैं आपका अपना नितिन विजय फिर से आया हूँ। आप सब लोग हम आ रहे हैं आपके अपने शहर, यानी कि मोशन का सेंटर खुल रहा है आपके शहर में। हम हजारों की संख्या में आईआईटी में और मेडिकल में बच्चों को पहुंचा चुके हैं और ये कर्तव्य के भाव से पहुंचा है, क्योंकि मैं भी खुद कोटा से पला बड़ा हूं। हमारी कस्टमाइज मशीन्स, हमारी एप्स, वो सारी सुविधाएं जो हम कोटा के बच्चों को दे रहे हैं वो सब आपके शहर में अब आपको मिलने वाली है। तो आइए मिलकर एक दूसरे के भविष्य को सुधारते हैं। मुझे सुनने के लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। थैंक यू।
Bro, electric.
Bro, petrol.
Minus 20 bhp and 18 nm torque beast.
My X47 has double the power. 40 bhp, 100 nm torque. Cameras, radar, onboard charging.
But I've got that.
Bro, I paid 1.5 lakhs upfront with UV battery flex. And then 2.5k per month. Less than what you pay for petrol every month. Upgrade to Ultraviolet X47 starting at just rupees 1,49,000 with UV battery flex.
नमस्कार, मैं आपका अपना नितिन विजय फिर से आया हूँ आप सब लोगों के समक्ष। हम आ रहे हैं आपके अपने शहर, यानी कि मोशन का सेंटर खुल रहा है आपके शहर में। हम हजारों की संख्या में आईआईटी में और मेडिकल में बच्चों को पहुंचा चुके हैं और ये कर्तव्य के भाव से पहुंचा है, क्योंकि मैं भी खुद कोटा से पला बड़ा हूँ। हमारी कस्टमाइज मशीन्स, हमारी एप्स, वो सारी सुविधाएं जो हम कोटा के बच्चों को दे रहे हैं वो सब आपके शहर में अब आपको मिलने वाली है। तो आइए मिलकर एक दूसरे के भविष्य को सुधारते हैं। मुझे सुनने के लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। थैंक यू।
Bro, electric.
Bro, petrol.
Minus 20 bhp and 18 nm torque beast.
My X47 has double the power. 40 bhp, 100 nm torque. Cameras, radar, onboard charging.
But I've got that.
Bro, I paid 1.5 lakhs upfront with UV battery flex. And then 2.5k per month. Less than what you pay for petrol every month. Upgrade to Ultraviolet X47 starting at just rupees 1,49,000 with UV battery flex.
नमस्कार।
Very good evening and welcome back to the last and final match day here before we head into the playoffs. This match, a very important one. Mumbai Storms and CSN Garjan are locking horns. And coming into the second half, it's the Storms who are up by 1. My name is Ryan James and alongside me in the comm box is Markesh Ranjan. Markesh, where do you fancy seeing this game going? Is this one of those games that's again going to go down to the wire? Because we've seen a trend. The last match of the day, one way or the other, goes on to the last play.
That's indeed true, Ryan, but you should check your stats true. Whenever you've been on the com box, there's never been a close game.
Well, I'm going to correct you there. In the first day, the first match day of Sandhya Maharashtra Basketball League, I took on the prime time game, the last game of the day, and that went down to the wire. And here I am back to redeem myself from that so-called curse that my co-commentators have given me.
So, Ryan, we look forward to seeing you have that game so that I can be part of it too.
Oh well, let's hope the Storms and Garjana make this game a memorable one, not just for themselves but for Markesh and I on the com box as well, as a turnover comes through for the Storms and they start slow as usual.
As usual, Storms are slow with the foul being on the offensive side. Defensive fouls are acceptable, but when you do offensive fouls, it's not a need of the hour.
Ayan now with the ball. Looks to pass, pressure defense on him. Doshi. It's captain taking on captain. Doshi gets past. Patil puts it up, won't get the finish. There's the offensive rebound. And the importance of the offensive rebound right there, Markesh.
One thing you notice, Ryan, he was getting a good offensive rebound, but how important is balance? He was not in balance. He was off balance. You should land properly because it might lead to injuries. So caution to all the viewers watching out there. If you are taking a rebound, the most important part is to stay balanced. Not only for your rebounding, even for your shooting, everything starts with balance.
A good point there. I was just looking at his teammates. Deep's currently at the free throw line. And when he airballed the first free throw, few of his teammates were grinning, and that is such a typical team banter to have. The moment you airball a free throw, after the match, your teammates are going to take your case, Markesh. I'm sure you know what I'm talking about.
I've seen my teammates do airball on layups, Ryan. What are you talking about?
Oh, well, he made up for the air ball on the first by converting the second. We're tied at 26 each and way over 8 minutes remaining. Aryan Patil gets past the defense, passes it to Yogesh. Yogesh with the floater, can't get it to go. Offensive rebound somehow is not in the hands of the Storms. And the ball's brought up the floor. Here's Ayan once again. He gets the screen from Deep. There's no roll. He hands it off to Doshi. Doshi attacking the rim. Quick pass to his teammate. And a simple basket onto the board.
I like the way Doshi plays. He decides in the air whether to pass or to shoot. That's the fundamental to have.
Agility at its finest. Here's Parth under the board. He did not know quite on the position in which he is in. He manages to get it back. And there's the second chance. Feet set. And the mid-ranger is good.
What a point you brought out, Ryan, as I was talking about balance. Feet set. Without your feet setting, some shooters out here are doing off-balance shot. Balance is the word I'm repeating.
And we're back on to a deadlock here. There's a three-pointer. And after a while, he almost converted. We saw Ginit get a couple of threes early on in the first. And here he is back in the third quarter, looking to engage from beyond the arc. Ayan now, with the shot clock winding down. There's 10 seconds remaining. Back to Ayan. Ayan finds his teammate on the far side. Ginit again, this time attacking the board. The floater is good.
Do you see Ginit playing the game always when he makes the shot, there is a high arc? The high arc ensures that even if he misses the shot, rebounding is easier.
Definitely, and a good finish again towards the rim. And we're tied again. Both the teams equally are going up against each other, not giving that extra bit of space. And here's Doshi once again playing it to the corner. Ginit behind the back, no look pass, but the finish not coming through. Deep doesn't have time, and they make the foul as the Storms transition.
I saw a great pass, one of the best of the tournament from Ginit, from behind his back. Wish the teammate could have made the basket.
It's Yogesh now. He's guarded by, there he passes it to Aditya. He lines up the shot. He hasn't been able to connect from beyond the arc today. And a foul committed, an offensive foul.
I see this is the second play of offensive foul with Storms of the quarter. 2 offensive fouls they've had this quarter. They need to be careful on that. They should not be getting into the 4 personal foul, team fouls that they get, which will lead to 2 free throws.
Oh, definitely. There's the ball to Ayan. Ayan floating in the air. Layup's no good. And the rebound's fought for. And the Storms bring it up. Yogesh quickly hands it off to Aryan Patil. Screen set for Aryan Patil. Aryan Patil with the footwork. Won't get the finish, but the putback is good.
I saw a putback finally in this championship, Ryan. Hardly we have seen those plays.
Indeed. These effective plays prove to be so important. That's played too deep. He kicks it back out. Doshi with the ball. Plays it to Ayan. Ayan on the dribble. Ayan floating. He's denied. And that defensive play leading to an offensive play. 4-on-1. And that's what happens when you're in a hurry and when you get excited.
That's not in a hurry, Ryan. That was a fast break. He made people worry. There was 4 people with him. He should use it without doing the back pass.
Doshi now up top. Garjana down 2. There's the ball to the baseline. Again to Doshi. Doshi, quick shot. Can't get it to go. And Aditya just trying to be calm and composed. Aditya attacking the rim. Aditya floating in the air. Won't get the shot. And there's the rebound. He holds on to it strong. And here's Ayan. 3-on-3. Ayan going through himself. Foul and the basket. Ayan with a big play. And the score is tied at 32 each.
I like the fact of Ayan going strong, but what I'm interested to see is, Ryan, can we know the stat of this guy called Anuj? The reason I'm asking this is he's got blocks, he's got points, he's crashing to every single possession, either offensively or defensively. He's been the man to watch out for the Storms.
Oh, great point. He's given the support on every factor. He supported the main scorers, he supported the rebounders, he supported the defenders. A complete player as the 3-point play is complete, and CSN Garjana are back up by 1. And that's another change in the lead. We've seen plenty of changes in terms of who's been leading in this game. There's the ball in the corner. Parth looking to drive. He spins, puts it up. Parth not able to connect. And Garjana will bring it up. Pressure on the player, but he's not succumbing to that. Here's Ginit. He plays it to Doshi. Doshi attacking the rim off the left hand.
Doshi is being the man they go when they need buckets. He's the man who showed yesterday too, when you need me, I'm there for you guys.
True captain with a captain performance as always, and a foul at the perimeter.
With Storms in possession, the Garjanas have gone 3 points up. But we need to see how the Storms are going to close the quarter. They've been strong in all 2 quarters, the way they closed it.
Important factor. Here's Yogesh. He gets a look, decides to drive in. Yogesh off the left hand, too strong. The soft finish not coming through. Even that putback this time will not work. And Garjana have the ball on the attack. Ayan to the high post. Deep puts it up and in.
That was like me seeing a masala dosa move in Pune. Left, he had the ball. Right, he puts it up. What is that, Ryan?
Well, that being said, there's more masala dosa in Pune than in any other south country, given
Wow.
the LPG situation, as Patil makes the basket.
As we are seeing the game going with a 3-point. Thank you, cameraman, for showing us. We are happy that you're showing us on the screen.
There's the handoff. Parth with the ball. He gets the screen. Parth, feet set, puts it up and makes a brilliant mid-range shot.
As we are witnessing this game, it has taken CSN a 5-point lead. The reason for that is they are not able to move the ball to the post. You see, the ball has not gone to the post for a while now. Each one trying to take, and a good rebound from Anuj, and he'll head to the line.
I think they just made that foul in order to stop what Anuj had in mind. He wanted to quickly get a putback, and player will not mind. A 5-point lead all of a sudden for CSN Garjana. And Mumbai Storms have 2.5 minutes to nullify that.
I think the free throws are very important. As we speak about this factor n number of times, I noticed that the percentage is not increasing. As and when we are speaking, it's only decreasing.
And another air ball from the free throw line. And I'm sure his teammates are going to take his case 100%, Markesh.
No, you know what he did? If they can do, I can do it too. If they can do, I can do it too. Free throw competition for air ball going on.
Doshi plays it to Ginit. Ginit for a deep three. He falls short. There's a rebound, offensive shot. And Parth's not able to connect. And another rebound for Anuj. He's been all over the place. Aditya through the middle. Looks for options. Great footwork. And finally, Aditya's on the scoreboard.
Have you seen off late Luka Doncic play? Have you seen this? He goes fast, stops, slows down, and tries for a zoom. I saw similar to that, Ryan.
Aditya will be glad with that Luka reference. And he commits a foul meanwhile.
And we have Deep on the free throw line. Can he prove us wrong? And there's 2 free throws coming. Deep he's taken our criticism to his heart. Now he's saying not even the ring I need. He's going to make some swish shots now. As I predicted, 2 in a row with 1 minute and 43 seconds left. CSN with a 5-point lead.
Yogesh looking to find Parth in the post. Parth posting up, trying to get the better of Deep, and Parth also getting his first basket here.
Ryan, after how long do you think Parth is getting on the post? That's been the key.
Many a times he comes outside and waits in the corner in a position where he shouldn't ideally. And now, with little over a minute remaining, it's a 3-point game. Will it go back to a 5-point game? No, it won't. There's the rebound gathered. Anuj once again. There's the long ball towards Patil, and the interception coming through and forcing the turnover.
Turnovers are proving too costly. When the momentum was with Storms, you should take it to the clock and then make some moves, not run a fast break and create it into a turnover.
Handed off to Doshi at top. And there's the follow-through shot. Can't get it to go. And the foul as well. And are the CSN side over the limit? No, they had a foul to give, which means it is relatively a good foul because they've stopped transition. And they can go back on defense. There's 49 seconds remaining. And the Storms now will look to captivate in this occasion. Yogesh with the ball. Yogesh asking his player to post up. Parth had a basket in the previous play.
And there's a foul on Parth. Now they've realized the ball will go to Parth. If you're not going to stop him, he's going to be very difficult to be carrying the momentum into the fourth quarter. There's 2 free throws. 2 free throws for Parth. Coach telling utilize your throws and contain them to close the third quarter on a high.
Parth Dhurgude for the Storms at the line. And slowly, Storms have done justice to what we've been saying. They're coming back into this quarter because they were trailing by as much as 6 or 7 here. And both the free throws converted makes it back to a 1-point game.
With 36 seconds left, I have a strong feeling Storms are going to close the quarter with a lead.
They need a stop here for that to come through first. Ayan, not the best of shots. He gets the rebound, a second chance given. Parthia plays it to Doshi. Spinning. Oh, beautifully done, but not good enough to get to the basket. And another foul. Meanwhile, and they are at the limit, which means 2 free throws for Mumbai Storms. And maybe, courtesy of these free throws itself, Markesh, your prediction is likely or could come true.
No, that's since it's in the offensive position. It was not on the possession. It was not on anybody's ball. So, offensive foul doesn't result in 2 free throws. So, 14.3 seconds left. And CSN There's some confusion out there. To clarify, to understand, was it anybody's ball or was it in possession? Now they make the change. It was anybody's ball. Ryan, you've been right on this. I thought before it was an offensive foul, but now they've changed the decision because it was ball being in the air. It's anybody's ball. That's what I was telling to the viewers.
Indeed, it was a common ball, and Anuj at the line. He's missed the first. Will look to make one at least to tie the game. He doesn't. He misses both. And 10 seconds remain. Ginit on the ball. Will he play to Doshi? Doshi is left open. He plays it towards the right. Parth for the mid-ranger. Parth connects. And there we are. We're at the end of the third quarter. And Garjana have the
On
advantage.
43, Mumbai Storms on 40. Please come back. I feel Ryan will commentate the last 2 minutes if it goes down to the wire.
Yeah. Foul on 7. Yeah. Check.
It was a good call. It was anybody's ball.
Welcome back to the fourth and final quarter of the Sandhya Maharashtra Basketball League. This is the game before we head into the playoffs, and you can already see the excitement in the fans' faces. I'm sure these are fans supporting one of the two teams, and the game is so close that the slight tense is visible on everyone's faces. And that's the beauty of basketball, the intensity, the unpredictability, Markesh.
Unpredictability. MBL has been full of unpredictability. We saw the Satara champs lose to Nagpur Beast Ballers. That was the game I remember where I could see Sabir got a blessing from Steph Curry. I think that day he took the game away with 30 points. He got the number of Curry as well.
Indeed. And a few technicalities are being fixed by the officials, and we're all set to get on with this match. And CSN Garjana with a 3-point advantage. They were in a similar situation yesterday in the fourth where they closed the game out. It went down to the wire and they came out victorious. They look for something similar. And CSN Garjana on the attack. Parth looks at some space being given to him, and Parth floats it up and in.
And Mumbai Storms have got a basket.
3-point game. The rationale is the same. Storms will look for a stop as well. Here's Doshi on the ball, playing it to Ginit. Ginit Soni on the drive, spinning. Ginit Soni with a wonderful package.
Ginit Soni showing me some moves of Tony Parker. That was a turntable.
Parth sets the screen. Aryan Patil back to Parth. Good presence of mind to find his teammate. And Parth was not able to find his teammate in that occasion. But thanks to a touch from the Garjana player there, it's still alive for the Storm. There's the fake. And then he puts up the shot, but it's too late.
Did you notice something, Ryan? If the ball went to the backcourt, there's still the shot clock didn't wind back till the team gets control. With the stop, the shot clock continues.
Very well. The possession is back on with Garjana. They're up by 5. They look to add on to it to put some pressure on Storm. Here's Doshi. Sid Doshi finds his teammate in the corner. Ginit Soni with amazing footwork. Ginit Soni.
Ginit Soni is on a next level today. He showed some Tony Parker moves. Now he shows the moves of Austin Reeves.
We're naming NBA players after Ginit Soni. I think it's time for us to just give Ginit Soni his own name, because he's so good that I think putting names against him is injustice. And that's good defensive efforts from the Garjana side. 3-on-2 on the attack and a foul drawn.
And this is going to be 2 free throws coming for Ayan Patel. Oh, I guess it wrong. The ref says act of passing. The signal says act of passing. And that's 2 fouls.
They have a couple to give. 8 minutes to play. Plenty of time. They would have to watch out for the fouls. It's played to Doshi under the board. And that pressure continues to stay. 18 seconds on the clock. And Ayan is set to inbound again. He's got deep as the closest option. And he decides to go for it. Ginit, what a move. They confused the defense there.
That was the best end-line out-of-bounds play. Baseline, it's called the BLOB. The best baseline out-of-bounds play of the day.
And now it's a 9-point game just like that. And a much-needed shot for the Storms.
Ayan says nothing but net. Now let's see who's going to stop and get it going with momentum is going to be the key in the next few minutes.
And there, Doshi with a quick response. Both the captains going at it. At one side, Aryan Patil for Mumbai Storms. And right after that, the captain of CSN Garjana with a response.
So we're going to go with 53-44. We'll be right after this break.
Welcome back to the Sanria Maharashtra Basketball League. Last game of regular season before we head into the playoffs. A must-win game for both these teams. It may be to qualify, it may be to finish on a better note, but it is a 9-point game. More importantly, the tension is rising on the crowds. And here's Aryan Patil, and he's gonna get stuck there. Possession will remain with Storms.
I saw some fans very happy to be on the screen, and they were saying, we're on the screen, watch out there.
Oh, it's awesome to see yourselves on the Jumbotron. And there, the bike on the far corner. Thanks to our MVP partner, Ultraviolet, the MVP of the league. On Sunday, we're going to know 2 players from the lot who's going to get that bike. One in the boys category, one in the girls category. Once again, thank you to our MVP partner, Ultraviolet. And play resumes. Storms down by 9. Foul won't get the and one, but more importantly, it's 2 free throws.
I see a change of strategy after the timeout. The Storms stopped attacking for a period of time. Now they're only going towards the ring and trying to draw fouls. That's a first made free throw by Yogesh. I want to bring out a stat here. After this free throw, we have Yogesh Jagtap as the referee and Yogesh as a player.
Wow. The Yogesh factor on this matchup. A block there for CSN Garjana. They're trying to keep it hard for the Storms, as they rightly should. Now it's 8 points between the 2 teams. Shot clock down to 8. Attacking the board. Foul and 1. And he flexes on Doshi.
This is to say, we are not going back. We are only going forward. Storm is coming. Keep waiting. Storm is coming strong.
A thunderstorm is what's needed, given the fact that they are trailing and they have to come back to win. But Yogesh definitely made his intentions clear with that play, although he fails to complete the three-point play. And Garjana will bring it up on the attack. They will play strategic from here on, Markesh, the CSN Garjana side.
Yes, for sure. They have the experience of their coach, who's been a former national player for them. He's been on the Indian camp, is what I hear from people. So that's the experience he brings.
It's truly amazing. There's the ball to the corner. He makes some space. Parth lines up the triple, can't get it to go. Deep with a big rebound. He loses it. And Aryan Patil is available on the drive. Patil takes on Doshi. And Sid Doshi commits the foul.
That's the foul called as unsportsmanlike. Mr. Rashid Sheikh, the chief crew, calls it an unsportsmanlike. So, unsportsmanlike is when you're not playing the way it should be, when you go over your limits and not behave in the sportsman spirit. You're getting two throws with the possession. Second free throw. This is where you need to make use of it. He makes one.
1 out of 2. He'll take it, given the fact that they're trailing. Now the lead is cut short to 5. And more importantly, of an unsportsmanlike foul, it's that you have to give away position as well. And here's a possession for the Storms. They've got 10 seconds. Yogesh looking to find Parth. Parth comes up and possession will remain with them, but there's only 6 seconds on the shot clock, which means Mumbai Storm will have to try and get something positive out of it. This is where they struggle when the shot clock is putting pressure on them. Aryan Patil fakes. Aryan Patil puts it up and he can't connect.
What Aryan Patil did was not a sensible move. You are coming back. You need not hurry the shot. Slow it down. Control. Make the defense work hard. Draw fouls. That's going to be effective.
There are the owners enjoying their time at the VIP section. And you can see the intensity. The owners of the CSN Garjana, as it stands, they see their team seeing this game through with over 5 minutes. A 5-point lead. Ginit hands it off to Deep. Deep goes up. And Deep is going to go to the free throw line.
Did you see something, Ryan? With the name called Deep, don't you think he's going too deep? He went behind the board. That's called too deep.
And Anirudh there, the CEO of ABC Fitness Firm and the pioneer of this league, enjoying the atmosphere, waving at all of you. Do come down to the stadium and wave at him in person. And a missed shot for CSN Garjana. Parth Durgude attacking on Deep. And he could not gather it through. Possession will remain with them though.
It's Mumbai Storm's ball.
Patil finds Aditya. Aditya Keshwani finds Aryan Patil. Aryan Patil to the rim. He can't get the finish. The second chance is gathered. Aditya Keshwani to Aryan Patil. The extra pass in the corner is good.
Ryan, your dreams are going to come true. It is just a 2-point game.
Indeed. And you can see the intensity building up, not just on the court, but in the faces of everybody watching. And there, Mumbai Storms get the steal. And meanwhile, lose the ball, but it's going to remain with them.
It's 4 minutes, 44 seconds. 2-point lead. Very crucial possession. Don't lose momentum. Slow it down. Take your time. Use the post.
Yogesh drawing the foul. And CSN Garjana had a foul to give. And that's the 4th foul.
With team fouls on the border, Mumbai Storms must look to attack the board or try to utilize the post.
They're a very good team when it comes to doing that. And they will hope to engage themselves on a similar fashion. There's the screen set for Aditya as he receives the ball. Aditya Keshwani over the defender. That's a tough shot, which is missed. And CSN Garjana on the attack. They will take their time on this possession. Ayan finds his captain, Sid Doshi. Sid Doshi attacking the rim, kicks it out. Ginit for 3. And Ginit, it goes in and out.
CSN are getting famous in the tournament for having close games. They are becoming a team where they are known for getting close games, but the result will speak it all.
Close games and closing it out. Another important factor. Here's Aryan Patil. They are now playing for not just a game, they are playing for their season. And here's CSN Garjana on the transition. He goes on to the cameras. And yeah, our producer is not going to switch to that view. That's camera number 3, if I'm not wrong.
Did you see there when he went for the ball, camera stopped him, but the action doesn't stop.
The action never stops here at the Sandhya Maharashtra Basketball League. Aryan Patil plays it to Aditya. Highline defense from CSN Garjana. They find the post. Parth was running somewhere, but more importantly, he's fouled. And I don't think he knew that he was going to get free throws out of this.
2 free throws coming. These are crucial 2 free throws for Parth. Free throw made. Another free throw coming. It's a 1-point game. It's 53-52. With 3 minutes and 39 seconds left. What a crucial turnover. With 1 point and 3 minutes left.
Here's Aryan Patil. He knows the importance of this possession. If they make a basket, they can take the lead. Aryan Patil feeds his post. A brilliant move. And that is the captain finding his soldier.
Parth in the park with 3 minutes and 7 seconds left. Mumbai Storm with a 1-point lead. We will be back after this break.
Welcome back to the 4th and final quarter of this matchup between CSN Garjana and Mumbai Storm. Huge thank you to our title sponsor Sandhya here at the Maharashtra Basketball League. This game also going down to the wire, the last game of regular season before we head into the playoffs. And the importance of this match, the scoreboard tells you the importance of this match. The captain Doshi lining up a deep 3 which he cannot connect with. Mumbai Storms have done the comeback, but they have to complete it by seeing it through. They have a 1-point lead. And once again, Patil finds his post and Parth makes the basket.
Parth, as I told you in the previous 2 possessions, now Mumbai Storm knows what to do. Mumbai Storm are again going to feed Parth. What's the next possession?
Meanwhile, a 3-pointer's no good, but nobody to collect the rebounds. And Ayan has an easy shot under the board.
It's a 1-point game with 55-56. Storms with the 1-point lead.
There's Aryan Patil. Gets past Doshi. Aryan Patil is blocked. A big block and a big play. Meanwhile, on the fast break. Oh, that was a bit scary. But more importantly, the player is fine.
Hope Yogesh is fine. LED screens will take care of itself, but they need Yogesh for this game.
Moments like that just gives a pause across the entire stadium. And once everybody knows everything's fine, play resumes. And we have a little over 2 minutes remaining. Garjana down one. Doshi deciding to do it himself. He kicks it out. Ayan with the option. Once again play to Doshi. Doshi from the baseline. Miss passes. And a chance for the Storms to add on to their lead. There's the layup. A top finish.
Yogesh, the man of the moment, with the minute and 47 seconds. That was a crucial two layups.
Ayan finds Ginit. Ginit fakes the shot. Ginit attacking the board off the glass. Can't get it to go. There's the rebound for Mumbai Storm. Aditya bringing the ball up. Aditya Keshwani with space. Aditya not getting the finish. And there's a big rebound from Doshi. And Garjana down 3 with a minute and 23 seconds remaining. Ayan, feet set, puts up the 3. Ayan makes the 3.
This is all yours, Ryan, as I promised you. This is 58 apiece with a minute and 13 seconds.
And now, pressure's back on Aryan Patil. What's he got in mind? He tries something similar. Pick and roll with Parth. And Parth lost the ball for a second. Parth puts it up. And he's going to get fouled in the process. Free throws for Parth. And he's going to go back to the free throw line.
As I told you, this has been a sensible move by Pune Storms. The more they went to path, the more are the buckets. This is the key. Ensure who's in the rhythm, who's in the momentum. Give it to them. They will help you win the game.
And Parth has missed the first. You can see the pressure. He's been very good at the free throw line. He's made important free throws, but he knows now we're down to the wire. And the score is tied. And there, he's missed a free throw. He still has a chance to make the other.
Path with the crucial free throw. A minute and 4 seconds.
He makes the second one. And the Storms back up by 1. And we're officially into the last minute of this matchup. This is the last minute of regular season here at the Sandhya Maharashtra Basketball League. Shot put up from Ayan is no good. And Mumbai Storms will bring it up. Aditya with the ball. He hands it off to Aryan Patil. Aryan Patil controlling the game. 15 seconds on the clock. Aryan Patil taking charge here as the captain. He's guarded by the co-captain on the other side. And there the ball's lost. Parth gathers it, plays it out. And once again searching for Parth and playing a bit too automatic here.
I still feel it's Pune Storm's ball with shot clock remaining on 2.
And possession's going to remain with Mumbai Storms. And 2 seconds on the shot clock. That's plenty of time to get a shot away. They have a 1-point lead. They will look to add on to it. Patil to inbound. And there's a quick shot, which is way off.
What do we do in this position is, Ryan, get it down because there's an advantage as you ran the previous play. So, Mumbai Storms 59, CSN 58. Timeout. Crucial 24 seconds coming up. Stay tuned.
Welcome back to this exciting matchup here at the Sandhya Maharashtra Basketball League. An important position coming up, and I'm sure the coach must have drawn up a play. Markesh?
It's very interesting to see that is one drawing of plays, whether he takes the front court position or the back court. Because if they take a front court, that is 2 positions, they can have a chance as well. If they take it at the back court, it's a 1-position game. This is a decisive decision to be made by the coach.
And a great split screen view from our broadcasting team to show us both the sides. And the Storms listened to their coach and they took their positions. And the front court is what the CS and Garjana have opted for. 24 seconds remaining. Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar, Garjana down 1.
With 14 seconds in the front court. And there's a special situation. They've chosen the side of the bench.
There we go. Let's see what the coach has drawn up. Captain Doshi. They have the players to step up at this moment. Parth has the ball. Parth through the middle. Parth for the mid-ranger. Big block from Anuj. The follow-through shot no good. Another rebound and Dev makes it. The lead is back on for CSN Garjana. A big rebound from Dev. And his team is up 1, forcing Mumbai Storms to call the timeout.
Deep. There he steps to make that basket, which is gonna be the most important part of the game. The owners giving them a standing ovation because that was an important basket. 11.4, 60, 59. What has the Mumbai Storms got? All I can say is the ball will move to front court, then they decide. Time will tell you the result.
Time will tell the result. Both the teams know the importance of the match, especially Mumbai Storms. They are playing for their season. What have they got in mind here? 11 seconds on the clock. CSN Garjana will break off the huddle and try and get the better of the team from Mumbai. It all comes down to this. Aryan Patil, 2 inbound. And Doshi is right there. All the players are tightly guarded. What's it going to be? Aryan looks at his options. He goes for Parth. And a foul committed in the process. It's against Parth. An offensive foul.
Offensive foul called. Since Storms are not in the foul limit, if now pressure full court is the call. All they need to do now is continue fouling. They should play a free throw game now, no other choice, or they should go for a steal.
Indeed, but they need to commit 2 fouls immediately or get the steal, as you said. And there's Ayan on the ball. It's hard to steal it off of him. And there's the foul from Aditya. And they are fixing the clock to tell us how much time remains. And it still remains at 7.9. And that's the 4th. Or is that the 5th? It is the 5th. There's the clarification. It is the 4th. And they will look to commit the 5th now. Sid Doshi, the captain, to inbound. They will try something smart to kill the clock. There's the chance for Garjana. He plays it to the backcourt. And Ayan is chased. And Aditya commits the foul.
Ryan, what was the turning point of the game? Was this when you had the possession, Mumbai Storm? What was the hurry? You could have used the clock, looked for a good opportunity. They spoiled it in the first second just with a pass. Now they're chasing the game. That's been the story of this game. Mumbai Storms are always chasing.
Oh, well, and they will hope that something is in store for this game to go their way. But Ayan's made the first free throw. And Garjana up by 2 with 4.8 remaining. No team has a timeout, which means Mumbai Storms, irrespective of this shot going in, needs to get the ball back up through the front court. And there's the second free throw, a big moment in this game. He misses it, and the rebound from Deep. Deep gets the rebound, and there's an immediate foul on him.
Did you see what the coach said? The coach said, miss the second free throw. He had a strategical decision. But now it's important to know they gave the possession away. There is still a hope.
The clarification that the possession's gone back, and we have 1 second remaining. Is there something magical in store for us here? Mumbai Storms down 2. And this being basketball, you never know what can happen. It needs to be a rather unorthodox shot. Who's going to put it up? He finds the captain, Aryan Patil. Aryan Patil can't connect. And CSN Garjana come out victorious in spectacular fashion. They were down towards the end, but it was a crunch shot off the timeout to take the lead, and Mumbai Storms suffer defeat.
CSN are proving for the second night in a row. They are the team to watch out for. They have closed 2 crunch games, 2 overtimes. Today, they avoided the overtime. And CSN are the winners. We are looking forward to seeing you all. We are so excited to have you live tomorrow. The game's beginning in the morning. Stay tuned for tomorrow action. Good night. This is Markesh and Ryan signing off.
बास्केटबॉल लीड, ये है महाराष्ट्र का सबसे बड़ा सीन। सपनों का ड्रीम, नागपुर, पुणे या हो मुंबई, हर कोने से आए सब रेडी भाई। महाराष्ट्र बास्केटबॉल लीग, ये चीज है भारी। महाराष्ट्र बास्केटबॉल लीग।
Bro, electric.
Bro, petrol.
Minus 20 bhp and 18 nm torque beast.
My X47 has double the power. 40 bhp, 100 nm torque. Cameras, radar, onboard charging.
But I've got that.
Bro, I paid 1.5 lakhs upfront with UV battery flex. And then 2.5k per month. Less than what you pay for petrol every month. Upgrade to Ultraviolet X47 starting at just rupees 1,49,000 with UV battery flex.
नमस्कार, मैं आपका अपना नितिन विजय फिर से आया हूँ आप सब लोगों के समक्ष। हम आ रहे हैं आपके अपने शहर, यानी कि मोशन का सेंटर खुल रहा है आपके शहर में। हम हजारों की संख्या में आईआईटी में और मेडिकल में बच्चों को पहुंचा चुके हैं और ये कर्तव्य के भाव से पहुंचा है, क्योंकि मैं भी खुद कोटा से पला बड़ा हूं। हमारी कस्टमाइज मशीन्स, हमारी एप्स, वो सारी सुविधाएं जो हम कोटा के बच्चों को दे रहे हैं, वो सब आपके शहर में अब आपको मिलने वाली है। तो आइए मिलकर एक दूसरे के भविष्य को सुधारते हैं। मुझे सुनने के लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। थैंक यू।
He will be here and ma'am will present him with the award.